Larry, finding someone to practice with is challenging. Absolutely. And this is a particular challenge too these days. We've been in quarantines for almost 2 months now. And finding other people to associate with, let alone practice with, can be a real challenge. And if you're learning sign language, if you'd like, I've been hosting these free ASL group practice sessions every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern time. And basically, what we'll do is we'll network students that are learning at different stages, beginners and intermediates and advanced, and we'll pair them up, and they'll have 20 minutes or so to just practice with each other. And at the end of that, we'll kind of go over tips like this, language learning tips, and how to overcome certain challenges and things like that. But yeah, finding others to practice with. If you can convince friends or family to learn whatever language that you're wanting to learn with you, that can be huge. If not, then finding people online that will use the language with you. Try to connect with people through social media, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTubers, and just being able to find others that are learning the language or are fluent in the language, that are willing to be a good language parent for you, though that can really help things out. So thank you for your question, Larry.